Simon to the fair. Said Simple Simon to the pieman, let me taste your ware. Then said the pieman, Simple Simon, show me first your penny. Said Simple Simon to the pieman, gosh, I ain't got any. I'm just as plain and simple as you can plainly see. That's why I'm plain and simple as can be. He's just as plain and simple as you can plainly see. That's why he's plain and simple as can be.
We're going to the fair.
We're going to the fair. We've each a brand new penny.
We spend it at the fair.
We spend it at the fair. And then we won't have any.
Your arches may be falling down.
We'd walk 10 miles to see that clown.
We'll dance away our care. We'll dance away our care. Oh, we're going to the fair. Won't you try a sample? Gosh, don't mind if I do. Say, will you make up your mind? I like this the most. Come on, say, come Buzz, the winner. Who's the owner?
Allah, a lollipop.
I'm just as plain and simple as you can plainly see. That's why I'm plain and simple as can be.